chose my path.
Every teacher, what to tell. Pain teaches us who we are. Sometimes it's so bad, we feel like dying. We can't really live till we die, can we?
I chose my path, you chose the way of the hero. And they found you amusing for a while, the people of this city. But the one thing they love more than a hero is to see a hero fail, fall, die trying. In spite of everything you've done for them, eventually they pay. Why bother? Because you're right. It is the real truth. There are 8 billion people in this city. And those teeming masses exist for the sole purpose of lifting the few exceptional people onto their shoulders. You and me, we're exceptional. You're the best. No. Learn to be happy. No matter what that means. That's wrong. She discovered for me. I want her to meet someone who will sing her praises as I do now.
而家我個人嘅座右銘係咩咧？係咪輸少當贏？諗
係揾食，到頭嚟我哋揾到啲乜？揾到餐餐九大簋，係咪已經捱壞咗副計？你揾到個錢，但係揾唔揾到尊嚴？你揾到個首期，又有幾多時間留喺屋企？究竟係揾食冇得揀啊，定係我哋喺揾食同生活之間，淨係揀咗揾食？揾食啫，唔好揾自己笨。
而家我個人嘅座右銘係乜嘢咧？輸少當贏。嗱，冇搞錯，唔係輸少少當係贏，係輸剩少少都當係贏。我睇乜嘢都好順眼嘅。而家我見到一個家庭個爸爸唔做嘢，一日淨係顧住同個仔打機，對我嚟講呢個係親子好爸爸嚟㗎啦。個媽媽淨係顧住打麻雀，但係佢冇打啲仔女啊！哇，呢啲咪冇愛嘅表現。個仔吸毒，但係佢冇拍低佢，嗱呢啲咪叫成熟咯。個女14歲就生仔啦，但係佢唔講粗口喎，呢啲咪有家教咯。總之做人唔好要求太多，唔好要求咩食得招積，我但求係屎。